Good morning, students. So today we are going to start new lesson, ratio. First, you understood what is meant by ratio. Most of the time we express numbers, etc. We say x and y. For numbers or things we consider as a x and y, and then we compare the value which is greater or which is smaller. For example, x is greater than y, x is less than y, x is double of y, x is 1/3 of y, then x upon y is equal to 2 upon 3, or y upon x is equal to 3 upon 5, x is equal to y, etc. So we compare the value in this way, numbers or things, which is greater or which is smaller. In general, for comparing two things, in our daily life, we use either subtraction method or division method. In our first, comparison by subtraction method. In this method, we come to know how much is one quantity more than or less than the other. For example, the age of Mohit is 15 years older than, and that of Saran is 10 years. How many years is Mohit older than Saran? Mohit age is 15 years and Saran age is 10 years. So how many years is Mohit older than Saran? So we do it here, subtraction. 15 minus 10 years, we get 5 years. Next, we comparison by division method. In this method, we come to know how many times is one quantity of the other. How many times is one quantity of the other? For example, if the age of boy is 7 years and that of his father is 35 years, so we do it here division. So father's age upon son's age, 35 upon 7, 5 are 35, so 5 years. So we say that father's age is 5 times that of son's age. Then ratio. Ratio means the relation of two quantities, both the same kind and the same unit. The relation of two quantities. The relation of two quantities. Relation of two quantities both of same kind and same unit. Both of the same kind. Both of the same kind and in the same unit. and same unit obtain on dividing one quantity by the other, one quantity by the other is called their ratio. Is called their ratio. The ratio of two quantities x and y, both of the same kind and same unit, is x upon y. The ratio of, therefore, the ratio of two quantities, therefore ratios of two quantities x and y, both of the same kind, both of the same kind and same unit and in the same unit is x upon y, is x upon y, and is often written as x as to y or x is to y. X to y or x is to y. In a ratio, both the quantity have same kind and in the same unit. For example, ratio of 5 kg to 15 kg. For example, ratio of 5 kg to 15 kg is equal to 5 kg upon 15 kg. Here units are same, kg, kilogram, 5 kilogram or 15 kilogram. So units are same. So kg get cancelled. Then you are written in lowest form. 5 on 5 3 is 15. So you are here 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3, or you write as 1 is to 3 or 1 to 3. Next example, ratio of 800 grams ratio of 800 gram to 1.2 kg 1.2 kg. is equal to 800 gram or here 1.2 kg. So here first you equal the unit or convert it into same unit. See here gram or here kg, different units. So kg is converted into gram. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So this value multiplied by with 1000, then we get in a gram this quantity. So 800 gram, write down in a numerator, in a divide 1.2 kg, 1.2 kg, 1.2 multiplied by 1000 gram is equal to 12,000, and decimal point after 1 digit, so 1200 grams. 1200 grams. So write here 1200 grams. Then you simplify it. Here unit place 0, gram then get cancelled. Unit place 0 again cancelled. 8 and 12 present in a 2 or 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So your answer is here 2 upon 3 or 2 is to 3. 2 upon 3 or 2 is to 3. This is the answer. You solve in this way. Ratio. Ratio means the relation of two quantities, both of the same kind in the same unit, obtained on dividing one quantity by the other is called their ratio. Therefore, the ratio of two quantities x and y, both of the same kind and in the same unit, is x upon y, is often written x as to y or x is to y or x to y. You read it in this way. See here next. A ratio is a pure number. A ratio is pure number. A ratio is pure number and so has no unit. And so has no unit. You always remember this point. A ratio is pure number. So here unit get cancelled. Gram, kg cancel it, and then answer is a pure number. So a ratio is a pure number and so has no unit. Then in your textbook page number 97, page number 97, this green paper you write down in your notebook. See here total 6 points are given. The ratio of two quantities or numbers is denoted by the colon mark. This symbol is a colon mark. This two dot is represented or read as a colon. Thus the ratio of two quantities P and Q is equal to P is to Q. P is to Q. And this is the colon. Then second point, the ratio of two quantities of same kind and same unit is obtained on dividing one quantity by the other. Then the first term of the ratio is called antecedent. First term of the ratio is called antecedent. Antecedent. And second term of the ratio is called consequent. For second term of the ratio is called consequent. A ratio must be always expressed in lowest term in this. Here 8 upon 12. So this term right now in lowest term. So both the numbers are divisible by common number 4. 4 to the 8, 4 3 is 12. So your answer is here 2 has to 3 or 2 upon 3. Then see here example. Find the ratio of of 60 to 48. 60 to 48. So first you write down 60 upon 48. 60 upon 48. Then this value write down in lowest. 60 upon 48. Which number are divisible by 60 and 48? In a 12 table, both the numbers are present. 12 5 is 60, 12 4 is 48. So 60 divide 12 upon 48 divides 12, and then 12 5 is 60. 12 5 is 60. So here write 5 or 12 4 is 48. So your answer is 5 upon 4 or 5 is to 4. 5 is to 4. Second example, 3.75 kg to 3.75 kg to 750 grams. So again, same as you solve this example. First, this kg is converted into gram. 3.75 kg. So 3.75 multiplied by 1000 gram is equal to 3750 gram, and then write the solution. 3750 upon 750. So first unit place 0 to cancel it. 375 and 75. First you divide by 25 or 5. So I am dividing here 25. 375 divides 25 and 75 divides 25. Then we get 25 on the 25. 25 on the 25. So it is remaining. So 125. 12 5 is 125. Then 25 3 is 75, and then in a 3, 15 is present. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. So 5 upon 1 or 5 is to 1. This is the answer. So you solve in this way. In the next period, you see converting into simple ratio. Thank you.